Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will be rigging a tank using VRF Plus Pro. Pay attention because this is a bit complex. Let's get started. The 3D model is already prepared as shown in the tutorial. We will create rig control bones on each 3D model shown in the video. The tank chain consists of individual 3D objects arranged along a curve. To learn how to make it, check the tutorial video in the description. Now let's start by creating the meta rig. Let's go. Press Shift plus A, then choose Armature, Build Vehicle Rig, and click Add Route. Name it Red Tank. Next, press the main body button to create the body bone. Position it and change the parameters as shown in the video tutorial. Next, press the tank wheels domain, choose left, and press OK. Position it as shown in the video. Adjust the parameters as needed. Don't forget to set the control offset for easy access by the user later. Position the sensor points as shown in the video. This is important to get right. Next, select the tank wheel domain bone to create the tank wheel bones from there. Position the tank wheels correctly. With the active and selected tank wheel, duplicate it using Shift plus D. Duplicate the tank wheel as many times as needed for the tank. Okay, all the tank wheels are created. Now we can rename the bones one by one. We will name the bones according to the name of the wheel tank objects. After finishing the naming, select all the tank wheel bones on the left side. Then press Symmetrize Selected in the MetaRig tool panel to create the tank wheel system on the right side. Now, select the body bone. Activate the Use Full Body IK parameter for a cartoon-style rig like the one shown in the video. This feature is optional. Next, we will create a custom control for the turret control bone. Position the bone according to the axis of the target object. Set the custom control parameters as shown in the video. Make the widget visible and easy to access for the user later. Make sure the turret bone is selected and active, then we'll create another custom control for the gun bone. Position the bone according to the axis of the target object. Do this carefully. Choose a widget display that's easy for the user to understand. Lock the location axis according to the movement needs of the gun bone. We will lock all the rotation and scale axes. Now, with the turret bone selected and active, we'll create another custom control for the lid body bone. Position the bone according to the axis of the target object. Choose a widget display that's easy for the user to understand. Since the lid bone only rotates on one axis, we will lock all channels except for rotation on the x-axis. Now, select the body bone. Press the custom control button to create the window left bone control. Position the bone according to the axis of the target object. Follow what's shown in the video. To create the right side, simply press Symmetrize Selected. Next, select the body bone again. Press the custom control button to create the pipe body bone control. Position it as shown in the video. Then select the body bone again. Press the custom control button to create the flip back bone control. Follow what's done in the video. After finishing, press Symmetrize Selected to create the right side. Okay, it looks like all the bone parts are done. Let's start generating the rig. Let's do it. The rigging is ready. Now we'll start parenting the objects to their target bones. Turn off all rig collections except the deform collection. To make it easier, hide the tank's 3D objects temporarily. Then select all the bones that will be the parent targets. Do this carefully as there are many bones to parent. Once all target bones are selected, go to the Set Bone Parent panel. Press the plus button, then click OK. Reveal the tank's 3D objects again in the viewport. Then select each object according to the Bone Parent target list and press the Set Parent button. Let's speed up the video, as this is a repetitive task. Finally, the object-to-bone parenting process is complete. Let's turn on the other rig collections to test the bone controls. Great. Now we'll set up the chain system using the tools in VRF Plus Pro. First, select the tank wheel domain bone. Go to the VRF Plus Experimental Tools panel. Select Spline Evaluate Driver. In the Curve Target parameter, pick the Chain Curve Left object. Press the Create Driver button. Now the chain object will move around the curve when the tank wheel domain moves. Repeat the process on the right side. In the Curve Target parameter, pick the Chain Curve Right object. Press Create Driver. The first step is complete. Now, let's move on to the second step. As we can see, the Bezier curve points are aligned with each tank wheel's position. The second step is to automatically assign a hook modifier to each Bezier point, so it can be controlled by the nearest tank wheel. Select the tank wheel domain bone again. Select Spline Point Control, Tank. In the Curve Target parameter, pick the Chain Curve Left object. Got it. Press the Create Spline Control button. Now each Bezier point has a bone control, and that bone is parented to the nearest tank wheel. Repeat the process for the right side. Select the tank wheel domain.R bone. In the Curve Target parameter, pick the Chain Curve Right object. Press the Create Spline Control button. Finally, the rigging setup is perfectly done. Now let's test drive the rig. Happy test driving. See you in the next video.